Hi everybody, how is it going? And welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. We got a really special video for you guys today. This is by far my most requested video within the past 24 hours. You guys have been blowing me up on Instagram, on Snapchat, on Twitter, and on Facebook, and in YouTube comments, in 5 different places. You guys want me to unbox the cargo box. This is the cargo box. This is the newest, hippest, coolest way to make extra money as an Uber and a Lyft driver. So I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna go over the snacks and let's figure out how much money we can make. I did already make a video about it, trying to set it up in my car, but I want to dive more in depth on what's inside and how it actually works. I'm gonna jump into the numbers because I know you guys like that. But yeah, before I do, guys, I need to take a sip of Joe because I need the caffeine to bring you guys some cool energy for you guys today, because I know you guys do like the high energy. So before we get into the video, smash the thumbs up button, guys. Hit that baby. Destroy the like button. Turn it blue if you drive for Uber or for Lyft, or if you just like making money, or if you just appreciate the time that I put into making these vids. Hit that like button, and also be sure to, you guys already know it, be subscribed so you are notified whenever I do post cool new video. Okay, there are some really cool, I can't talk about it now, but there's some cool new ways to make more money as a driver. So you literally need to be subscribed. There's not much I can say about it right now, but they will be coming out within the next few months. So yeah, new videos on that coming soon, so subscribe so you don't miss out. Anyways, here is the website. Again, I'm gonna unbox it. I have my whole tripod set up so I can, give you guys an overhead view. And here we go. This is it, cargo for drivers. Boost your driver earnings. I just wanted to show you guys really quickly. I think are there articles on here? Drive cargo. Also, big shout out to, what's his name? Julian, and anybody at Cargo team, thank you. Share this in your Slack group. I need the views, okay? Here we go. Look at this guy. Made for rideshare drivers. Barbara. I thought there were articles. Bruh. Wasn't there? Forbes. Can you not click on these articles? Oh yeah, here we go. This is what it is. He earns. Somebody was like, oh, how are you saying that? What's his name? Small, whatever. He earns $100 to $300 a month by using cargo, which pays a monthly rate for selling products like snacks and headphones to passengers. Oh yeah, also one of the questions you guys asked was, what happens when you run out of snacks? They send you more snacks. So yeah. And they are partnered with Uber, so they are Uber legit. No pun intended. All right, let's open up this bad boy. Oh yeah, I also did want to show you guys. If you go to uber.com/newsroom, because if you're a weirdo like me and you like reading Uber news, go like this. Type in cargo right here. This is a little fun golden nugget right here, little chicken nugget right here. Type in cargo. Enter. Okay, that was, sorry, really annoying. Too much caffeine this morning, guys. Look at all these. Uber and Cargo are teaming up, introducing an all-new way to shop. This they launched out to the passengers, I believe. Click on here. You can read all these hidden gems, guys. There's so many hidden gems. If you thought that being subscribed to me, you get all the, the Uber news, no, you got to go to Uber News, Uber Newsroom. Yeah, and there's hella articles on cargo. On well, I guess there's just 2, but ooh, look at those leather. I hope that's not real leather. That better be vegan leather. Look at that. That's how it looks, guys. It's right here. Why does theirs look different? Why is theirs see-through? Why didn't I get the see-through one? Okay, let's set this. Let's open this up, and yeah, let's get started. All right, guys. So here we have it. Here is the cargo box. Let me just grab. This is what it'll come in. So I already took it out, but let me not get my address on here. Oh shoot, it's okay. Whatever. It looks like this. I don't want to get my address in here, but this is what it comes in. It comes in this, and then it comes in this cool box here. This is what it is. Again, I already opened it. I can just put it inside just so you guys get that feeling of an unboxing video. This is what it looks like here. So open it up, right? Pretty simple, pretty easy. And look at this. You get this here, and it also comes with some nice bubble wrap. Let's get some ASMR going, right? Different pops. Okay, let's do, you know what? Screw it. Let's get some ASMR. I know you guys really like ASMR. So, here we go. Listen, listen. Honestly, this is the best part of cargo. They send you this stuff. Can you hear that, guys? Oh, that was a good one. Listen. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. All right, let's look at what is inside here. We got the manual. It says cargo. Can you guys read that? The cargo box opens at the front. Okay, cool, thank you. So this, you have to activate it, right? Activate your cargo store, find your store ID, text your store ID. Oh, I forgot to do that one in my last video. Follow the text instructions. Okay, so then it has all these instructions, blah, blah, blah. You guys gotta sign up to get yours. I'll leave a link. Guys, I'll leave a link to my sign up code in the description if you want to use it. But here we go, guys. First of all, this is great for passengers because first impressions, this kind of looks like a pizza, but I mean, even so, like, you have nice colors, right? I could just really picture this cat, like, it caught my eye when I first opened it. And it says, and you can see right here, it says scan me, get stuff. It's simple, I like that. Simple the better. And then also, if I want, I can even charge it up right here. That's not working. Well, I guess it's not. I guess it needs to be plugged in somewhere. Can I plug it in? Oh look, it has a USB thing here. Let's just test out. Let's see if it works. Plug it into my computer. It's not charging. Well, that's not a good sign. Maybe I need to plug it into my car. Whatever. Okay, we'll figure that out later. But anyways, moving on. This looks like, yeah, it plugs into your car. And you can see it has two USB ports here for your passengers to use. And then it has little straps on the bottom, which I think this is how you strap it on. If you guys can see that. This is how you strap it onto it goes in your center console, I feel like. And then here's how you open it. So from my understanding, this is what the passengers, it's on this side, but it opens on this side. So in order to open it, they kind of have to reach over. I believe the passengers can only buy stuff after a ride. So your passengers will not really be eating in the car unless they do it like right before. I don't know. But yeah, here for the grand reveal, guys. Are you guys ready to see that? Oh, and then on this side, sorry, this is the plug-in area. This is where you plug into your carport. I tried plugging into my laptop and that didn't work. So I think you need it. It even says right here, actually. Plug in. Focus, 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 focus. There we go. Plug in. It says please remove. All right, yes sir. Yes, ma'am. I will remove that. Ah, get off. Dang, guys. And now this doubles as a mustache. Ooh. All right, so now on to, oh, maybe it's like a nasal, what are those things? Like, it actually does look like a nasal thing to help you sleep. Oh my gosh, it actually works. I can breathe so much better. Wow, cargo cured my allergies? Question mark, question mark. Gone wrong? Okay. Let's look at what's inside. Can you guys see this? Let me get a good angle for you guys. That's just the QR code. This is my code. Don't use that. Use your own. This looks like the strap. So let's take this out here. I believe this. So you strap, can you guys see this? You strap it on here. Well, let me do this side so you guys can actually see. So you strap it on right here, right? This should buckle, right? There we go. And then this should go like underneath your center console thing or somewhere. And then also hook back in on this side. So, yeah. Or it could even double as like a little backpack, a little satchel. So, you guys can't see, but basically it's hanging on me. So like it's like a little backpack. Anyway, okay, let's open this. What's inside, guys? This is my first unboxing video where I actually open up a cargo box. So these are what your passengers have the options to choose from. Oh, they actually give you one of these too, look. So you don't even have to go out and buy your own. Oh, and it's a double one. It's a double whammy. Do you guys see that? Focus, focus. Focus. Focus on that B. Well, it's not focusing, but look guys. It's a double whammy, so it has 2 ports, so I am a fan of that. But what else is inside? First of all, you got some chickpea snacks, Rockin' Ranch. 6 grams of protein. That's actually pretty good. 7 grams of fiber. So yeah, looks like you have some healthy options. These are pretty much just your standard chickpeas, sunflower oil, ranch seasoning. Looks pretty good. They give you 2 of them, so you have two, they can buy 1 or 2. And then next up, what do we have? We have Airborne. Trying to do the makeup thing where they like go like this and then Airborne. Immune support supplement. It's a blast of vitamin C, minerals, herbs, effervescent tablets. I'm noticing a trend so far. They give you 2 of each, so maybe if there are 2 people and they each want one. There are 10 of these tablets in each, so that's 20 tablets total. Also, from my understanding, you get 1 free snack per day yourself as a driver, so if you want free food, you know, sign up. Oh, this is my favorite so far. Starbursts. I haven't had a Starburst since I was like little boy. What are these even made out of? Corn syrup. Of course, corn syrup. Corn syrup is the number. These are pretty much just corn. That's funny. Corn syrup, sugar, oil. It's literally corn, oil, and sugar. And then fruit juice from concentrate. And then a bunch of random stuff that I don't know how to pronounce. And then again, you get 2 of them. So, you know, if your passenger really, really wants Starbursts, or before you need to refill it. And also, I don't know if you guys can see, but they have these little dividers, which I personally think are super helpful because just for organization purposes. Next up we have almond butter. I don't really understand these. I guess I don't know, maybe if they are having some toast and they don't have butter, or they have just a jelly sandwich and they want to add some almond butter to their mix, or if they just like sucking on almond butter. This is probably the most healthy option. It just, as you can see, it's just roasted almonds and palm oil. And again, oh, this one we have 3 of. This must be a popular item. So we have 3 of them this time, as you can see. Do the makeup thing. Get some more ASMR in here. All right, and the next, oh, this one we actually have 4 of these. Look at this. It's a Verb energy bar. This is a tiny, I don't know if you guys can see how small this is. This is probably, I don't know how much they sell for, maybe $1 or something. Oh, look at this. As much caffeine as an espresso and only 90 calories. Okay, so this is pretty much like a caffeine drink in a bar. It's made out of gluten-free oats, organic agave. Okay, this is probably the healthiest option so far. And there's 4 of them, so they must sell really well. And last but not least is the infamous Kind bar. Um, 5 grams of sugar, 6 grams of protein, dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt. So you do have a little bit of everything. I highly recommend I highly recommend signing up. If you are a driver, so this is how it works. They're not in every market yet. But they did just come to San Diego, and they're in LA and Orange County, I believe. Yeah, I did go to the Orange County hub about a month ago or so, and they were there inside. So I was like, dang, I didn't realize they had a whole partnership with Uber, like super legit. They're signing up drivers and setting them up with cargo boxes. I was like, dang, that's pretty legit. Legitimus Maximus. But what I was saying is, to sign up, it has to be in your market, and you have to like show that you're a driver. So yeah, I don't know. Use the link down below, and then you sign up, enter in your email, all that stuff. Direct deposit. There's a little training course too that you go through, and then yeah, it's pretty simple. But see if you can sign up. And some drivers are making literally, again, you've seen it, $300 a month. They said, I heard in an interview, it was like, let me see if I can find it really quick. This is T-Pain. This is T-Pain and Cargo.
So much time in Uber, so we said, how do we provide a better experience for passengers and for drivers? How can we find a way to help you earn incremental money? So we have a partnership with Uber, and they help us distribute cargo to their drivers. We've distributed about 7 million products to passengers across 10 cities in the U.S.
Tell me what kind of food is in the box.
People love to tell you they're healthy, but we've been really successful in things like Rice Krispie treats and Cheez-Its.
Really? How much is this helping? Because it seems like it
Listen.
For the average driver driving with cargo, it's an extra $100 per month. For the top 10% of our drivers, it's an extra $300 per month.
Bruh.
$300.
T-Pain was even shocked at that. An extra $300 per month for the top 10% of cargo earners. So if you want to be the top 10%, then you could join in the top 10% and make $300 extra per month. So that's pretty nuts. That's pretty awesome. Even T-Pain approves of it. It's on TV. What is it? T-Pain's Business School of Business. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Again, my name is Dylan. If you have any questions down below, I'll be happy to answer them. I'll do my best, or you can just reach out to Cargo. Again, you can use my referral code. I will leave my referral code down in the description, and you can sign up today. Get started. Start making extra money. No time to waste. Don't start tomorrow. Don't start next week. Start today. All right, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Give the video a huge thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe. Later, guys. Peace.